Hello and welcome to my channel. So today I'm reviewing the Bare Bones Undercarriage Spray made by Chemical Guys. It is $31 and it comes in a 473ml bottle. So basically what I'm doing is I'm cleaning the wheel well, so getting my APC out and just cleaning it. As you can see, I've got some sticky tape in the wheel well there. I'm going to use the Bare Bones Undercarriage to try and bring that up as much as possible, and so we can see the difference. So obviously I'm going to do the bottom and then the top I'm going to leave so we can see the difference in the product. Look, Chemical Guys in the detailing world, they do have a reputation of being a bit overpriced, having numerous products that do the same thing. So we'll see how this goes and what this does. To be honest with you, this is pretty expensive. $31 for a 473ml product is quite expensive. However, you're not going to be using it all the time, so it will last quite a while. So as you can see, I've just done the bottom there. I'm going to take this sticky tape off. And geez, look at that difference. So there's a huge difference between having the Bare Bones Undercarriage Protectant and not having it. So look, it definitely, to be honest with you, it definitely brings out the wheel well. And later in the video, I'll show you the difference. But yeah, look, it is as I said, it is quite. Look, you could pretty much use, I guess, any plastics cleaner, plastics protectant. So this is what I've done the whole wheel well here. So as you can see, looks good, really brought it out. And we're going to compare that to the back wheel, which I haven't touched, and you'll see the difference. So yeah, look, it's a good product. I mean, as I said, it is a bit overpriced, but you will get some good results out of it. So I know with this is going to last me quite a while, because again, it's not every day that you do this. So thanks for watching. If you could please like, comment and subscribe on the video, or even better, watch another one of my videos. Thanks for watching.